Level up your job search. How to leverage YouTube for career success in Zimbabwe and beyond. In today's dynamic job market, simply submitting resumes isn't always enough. To truly stand out, you need to be proactive, informed, and connected. While platforms like LinkedIn and WhatsApp are valuable, many job seekers overlook a powerful, visual resource right at their fingertips: YouTube. For those in Zimbabwe and across the world, YouTube offers a wealth of opportunities to enhance your job search, gain valuable skills, and even discover hidden job openings. Here's how to harness the power of video for your career journey. Why YouTube is a game changer for job seekers. YouTube isn't just for entertainment, it's a vast educational and networking hub that can significantly boost your job search efforts. Skill development and upskilling. The job market is constantly evolving. YouTube is packed with free tutorials, courses, and guides on almost any skill imaginable, from mastering Microsoft Excel and digital marketing to learning new programming languages or even improving your soft skills like public speaking. Company insights and culture dives. Before applying to a company, wouldn't you want to know what it's truly like to work there? Many companies, both local and international, have YouTube channels showcasing their culture, employee testimonials, office tours, and even CEO interviews. This gives you an insider's perspective and helps tailor your application. Interview preparation and tips. Feeling nervous about an interview? YouTube has countless videos offering advice on common interview questions, body language, how to answer tricky scenarios, and even mock interviews. This is invaluable for building confidence. Industry trends and news. Stay updated on the latest developments in your desired industry. Many industry experts, news outlets, and professional organizations publish regular video content discussing trends, challenges, and future outlooks. This knowledge can make you a more informed and attractive candidate. Networking and personal branding. Yes, really, while less direct, creating your own professional content, e.g., a video resume, a portfolio showcase, or a tutorial on a skill you possess, can attract recruiters. Engaging with relevant channels and commenters can also expand your professional network. How to effectively use YouTube in your job search in Zimbabwe. To maximize YouTube's potential, be strategic and consistent. 1. Subscribe to career-focused channels. Start by subscribing to channels that offer general career advice, interview tips, and resume building strategies. Global resources. Look for channels like The Muse, Indeed, Career Contessa, or Josh Kaufman. Local Zimbabwean channels. Search for Zimbabwean career coaches, recruitment agencies, if they have a presence, or business news channels that discuss local employment trends. While few are dedicated job search channels might exist locally, broader business and news channels often touch on relevant topics. 2. Research target companies. Before applying, search for the company on YouTube. Company channels. Look for official channels from companies you're interested in, especially larger corporations with a presence in Zimbabwe or those you admire globally. Employee testimonials. Sometimes current or former employees share their experiences, offering a candid look at the work environment. Product service demos. Understanding a company's offerings through video can help you speak more intelligently about them in an interview. 3. Upskill with tutorials. Identify skill gaps and use YouTube to bridge them. Software skills. If a job requires proficiency in specific software, e.g., advanced Excel, Photoshop, a CRM system, find tutorials. Soft skills. Search for communication skills training, leadership tips, or presentation skills. Industry-specific knowledge. If you're targeting a new industry, watch explainer videos about its fundamentals. 4. Prepare for interviews like a pro. Practice makes perfect, and YouTube provides the perfect practice ground. Common questions. Search for most common interview questions, and practice your answers out loud while recording yourself. Behavioral questions. Look up STAR method interview questions to learn how to structure your answers effectively. Industry-specific interviews. If you're in a technical field, search for technical interview questions for your field. 5. Leverage YouTube for local insights. While the global content is valuable, tailor your search for Zimbabwean context. Search for Zimbabwe job market trends, career advice Zimbabwe, or Zimbabwe business news. Look for interviews with Zimbabwean entrepreneurs, business leaders, or HR professionals. They often share valuable insights into the local landscape and what employers are looking for. Follow local news channels that might feature segments on employment or economic opportunities. Beyond viewing, creating your own content. If you're feeling ambitious, consider creating short, professional videos. Video resume. A short, engaging video introducing yourself and highlighting your key skills and experience. Portfolio showcase. If you're in a creative field, use video to showcase your work. Tutorials. If you're proficient in a specific skill, creating a short tutorial can demonstrate your expertise and initiative. Conclusion. In the competitive job market of Harare and beyond, every tool at your disposal matters. YouTube is far more than just entertainment. It's a dynamic platform for learning, research, and self-improvement that can significantly elevate your job search. So, next time you're thinking about your career, open up YouTube. Your next opportunity might just be a click away. Disclaimer. Please note that we are an independent job search platform. We are not affiliated with, nor do we endorse, YouTube or any of the companies or organizations mentioned. The information provided in this blog post is for general guidance and informational purposes only and does not constitute professional career advice. Any job applications and correspondence will be directed to the respective organizations, and any hiring decisions are made solely by them. We encourage all job seekers to conduct their own thorough research and due diligence when applying for positions.